Now I want to do some detailed quilting. In stitch regulated mode, I can stitch, but it's going to be kind of chunky, and listen to the engine. The motor is very rough. So what most people do is they turn the stitch regulator off and stitch it in manual mode. It's very smooth. It's not nearly so chunky. But now when I want to go back to regular stitching, if I forget, oh my gosh, I didn't switch back to stitch regulated and I made huge stitches. So what I can do is go back to stitch regulated and quilt glide. It's going to be in manual mode when I go slow and tiny. Watch. It just switched over. Very smooth. The engine is smooth and small stitches. And when I speed up, it's automatically switched over to stitch regulated, and I have again beautiful stitches.